senses five, not sight, nor sound, nor the breath that keeps alive. No hands, no feet, no speech to frame. I am not this body nor its claim. I am the soul, eternal and free, pure consciousness, that's truly me. I am that light beyond all name, the boundless truth, untouched by fame. No birth, no death, no fear, no fight. I am that peace, I am that light. I have no greed, no hate, no pride, no lust, no fears, no one to chide. No bond of sin, no deed to bind. I am not this heart, not this mind. I'm ever pure, beyond despair, the silent joy that's always there. No caste, no creed, no worldly ties, no scriptures hold where my essence lies. Not form, nor frame, nor body strife. I am the source, the essence of life. I'm changeless still, the silent sound, infinite truth, where love is found. No joy, no sorrow, no gain, no loss, no burden to carry, no worldly cross. I'm not attached to pleasure or pain. I'm not the clouds, but the clear sky's rain. I am the self, unshaken, free, the timeless truth of eternity. I am that light beyond all name, the boundless truth, untouched by pain. No birth, no death, no fear, no fight. I am that peace, I am that light. Not bound by birth, nor death's embrace. I'm the eternal, infinite space, beyond all time, beyond the flame, the witness still, untouched by name. I am not this, I am not that. I am the truth, where all is at. I'm one with all, yet I am free. I am the truth of unity, the soul of bliss, the joy that's true. I am what's known by few. No change.